Hey y'all, welcome back. So it's been a few days. You see my hair is different. Let me pull this back a little bit. Sorry. Yeah, so don't mind my son. He's in the background playing with his little monster trucks. And yeah, I just wanted to come on real quick because actually I'm not actually doing nothing. So I was on here a few days ago and I just actually didn't pick up the camera all weekend. I was just doing stuff that I needed to do. But today I'm actually really trying to get together my little vanity that I have been creating in my room. And I'm actually cleaning out some makeup and stuff. So I was like, let me see what's what. And I just figured y'all would like to see. So I actually saw some stuff that I didn't even know that I had. So like this little stuff like this, I don't need this anymore. Then I found this little retractable waterproof eye and lip liner. And this is the lip liner that I have on. It's by She Makeup. This is the pencil. And it's like in the shape of like a triangle. It's really cute. But this is the color. Well, this is the what it looks like. Anyway. So we're actually heating up dinner right now. So I was just gonna talk to y'all for a little bit while that was happening, right, my mat? So I guess I'm gonna keep this. I got this in like a BoxyCharm a minute ago. And I guess I'm just gonna keep it because it's not empty. So this is gonna go, okay. So I was talking to my friend earlier, y'all, and while I'm doing this, I'm actually also pulling out stuff that I need to put into, I'm creating like a dot kit for my car. So in this kit, I wanna have like some lashes, just like some bronzer to put on my face, eyebrows. So obviously I'm gonna need some glue if I put lashes in there. Look at this little glue that I had, if it'll focus. It's so small, but it's by Allure and it came with some lashes. So I'll put this to the side because that's gonna go in there. Let me get back to this. I have so much little, it's really not that much, but like little stuff. So the lip color that I have on today is Teen Spirit by Milani. And I've been really into like a gloss lately, so I'm keeping that. And then I also have this color, She's All That. These I'm keeping. I actually hadn't even used them because I've been using the MAC ones, but keeping them. This needs to go in the kitchen, but actually this probably should go in the car too, in the little kit. So let me put this over here. Today I have on Fenty foundation, my girl Fenty, and then lip stuff. So for right now, I know for a fact these are trash. These have been in here for years. These Maybelline, what are they? Concealers. I love these. These are numbers 5 and 4. Caramel and Cafe. I think Cafe was the one I used the most. This is so ghetto, y'all. This is my dog's little, it's just like, it's nothing in it, but it's just like one of his little poopy bags that I take outside because I couldn't find like a trash bag. So I have tons of these little things because they sell these at the Dollar Tree and I just always have them. So one of these are definitely just gonna go in my little kits. This is a mascara that's gonna go in there because it don't need to be nothing like that. It's just needs to go in the kit. So I'll keep that. I got this little Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I'm gonna keep this. So the eyeliner, the eye like drawer that I have, and I'll show you guys, really full. So I have all these e.l.f. primers that I got. I think I might have got these from the Dollar Tree, I think. Poreless putty, luminous putty, and matte putty. So they're going with the other primers that I need. So this is gonna go in the trash. The Too Faced, cause it's just old, it's clumpy, can go. This lip color from Fenty, it's like that purpley one. I'm gonna keep it for now, cause it can be mixed and it's not that old. So put this with the lip. My lip drawer is like, I don't like that no more. So then I got this LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I'm actually getting rid of this because it's just old and it's too dark. So I also had these that I was raving about probably like 2 years ago. These gotta go. The CoverGirl concealers. Clearly I had a bunch of concealer that just had to go. So then I have this Smashbox primer. I'm gonna put all my primers because I have the Fenty primer and the Smashbox one. I'm gonna put all the primers in just like one spot. Cleaning out your makeup, y'all, is something that just has to be done, but I absolutely hate doing it. So all of this stuff is just late. Like, it should have been thrown out. So this Lord and Berry pencil, I got this in my BoxyCharm a while ago. Y'all look how, this was actually like this long. And it's just old now. I haven't really been using it lately, so that can go. Let's see what else. This Clinique eyeshadow, that can go. And then I had, oh, so I was like raving about this Marc Jacobs Extra Shot at one point. I guess it's old now because it just haven't been, it's been getting really cakey and dry real fast, so trash. And they don't even make that anymore, so I'm not even pressed. And then this Bad Blood by Urban Decay. I probably could keep it, but it just looked like grandma. This color is giving grandma on Sunday. So here's another strip lash adhesive for the eyes. My little eye drawer is so packed down, like so packed down. I'm gonna have to show y'all all that's in there one day. Like, this thing is so ghetto, y'all. Am I even gonna be able to open it? Oh yeah. Okay. Then I got this Bobbi Brown Warm Almond Powder Foundation, but it's broken in the inside, so I can't even open it. That's gone. Then I got my powders. And you know what is crazy? That I have that Laura Mercier powder. I have that Laura Mercier powder, the little loose powder, like the Fenty and everything. And it's small, so you know where that's about to go. Oh, this makeup is getting on everything. Let me see. Should I use this on my desk? Makeup up, because the desk is white. Anyway, we'll see. I'm gonna keep this out. And so I got the little pieces that's gonna go in my little bag. I just need to get the bag together. Then I also got this Smashbox Instamatte Lipstick Transformer. I don't even think I need this, but I think it's supposed to transform regular lipsticks into like the matte thing. So I don't think I need this, but I'm gonna put it to the side just for the moment. Then what else do I got up in here that can go? So for sure, I love this Fenty, the Fenty Unveil color, but you see, I guess it's just really watery, and at this point, I don't even remember when I bought it. But what else is in this little thing? So I got some lashes. I got this Huda Beauty palette. I still like these colors a lot, and it don't look that bad. So I'm gonna organize all of these things on another day, not today. So this guy, this is for my like foundations. This drawer is. I have my Laguna, keeping that. Then I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a bronzer, Cappuccino. Keeping this. I haven't even used it. So not even nothing. Let me put my Kylie in here too. I wanted to try this today, y'all. The Illumasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter. But I didn't, so I'm not throwing that out yet because I still haven't tried it. This is what I was talking about, this one. That's gonna go in my little kit in my car for emergencies. And then what else is here? So do I have the same lip color twice? No, this is Luster Light. So I really just went crazy with these little Milani lip colors. But they are so good, y'all. You can get them from Walgreens, Target, anywhere. They are really good. Yes, baby. Let's keep them out. Okay, so that's that. This right here is all about the brows 4-in-1 palette. I don't really use it, so I'm gonna let it go. Because I kind of took out stuff earlier to just throw out because I knew I wasn't gonna need it anymore. So yeah, I think that's about it for right now. But, so Matt, you ready to eat dinner? Maddie, you ready to eat? No. Well, he ain't ready to eat, but I am. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all a little bit later, or maybe tomorrow while I'm working. But because I am hungry. I don't know what he got going, but I'm hungry. So see y'all a little bit.